Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically, unfortunately, your device will scan itself and you do not really need to do a lot. All you have to do is to simply enter this security app. Let's tap on it and of course give all the permissions it needs. Here we've got the security scan option, so let's tap and agree to privacy policy. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, so it means that it will scan all apps, all processes which are currently on your device, and it will scan it in order to find any malware, any viruses, any actually problems which you can have. And as you can see, in my case, everything looks good. So I do not have any problems, but if in your case your device will find any, then it will list it right here, and you will be able to easily remove any kind of problems or viruses. So basically this is it. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.